look at this one real quick. Max, we don't need that. We just have to get file, right, touch, system, equal, roll.active. Then I'll just duplicate this. Change this all to left on lowercase l. There we go. Alright, I think I might go for a hybrid way of doing it. Oh, maybe not. Just probably trying to figure it out. I think it's best to take a hybrid ECS approach instead of just more pure ECS. Now, I don't know if this works though. I don't get what this session failed is. Do they convert the vortex? No. If I just make this empty, what will happen? Where's this assertion fail coming from? The conversion? Where the heck is this coming from? Wait, don't tell me it's not even ECS problem. It's just... I don't even know if it's ECS anymore. Something's just breaking. There should be no entities at all now. It seems that it was just a conversion. That was the issue. Alright, so the whole reason I went through that was trying to find how to use the conversion system. Because I remember reading somewhere that you should use the conversion system for a particular situation, but I forget where I read it. Like, I don't know if it was from the documentation or from a demo. Oh, there it is. You make an authoring component thing. Gonna delete that. Oh damn, even the Mega City has a lot of errors. I should probably not load this whole thing, otherwise lag, pure lag. Even though it's empty, it still has this assertion failed. Oh mate, wrong project. I did it again. Press play on the wrong project. Seems to be like a VR thing, so it might not happen if I compile it to Android, but the hand isn't tracking, so that's a problem. There's something wrong with the lightweight render pipeline. I have to remake this whole thing. I think the problem this whole time was the lightweight render pipeline, and the ECS had no problem this whole time. So if I double click this, it seems to be rendering problem. Oh, so I just have to untick that the whole time. Really? I think I know what I'm going to call this one. Suffering through ECS. Now it's frozen. Great. I don't know what I'm going to do. 5 hours and 40 minutes of coding. I don't know if that's healthy. I'm just going to test it. I forget where I'm up to at this point. So apparently it works. I've been trying to fix a bug that doesn't exist. What? Alright, so the offset isn't working. Let me just check if the offset is actually working. 90. No, it's only getting the position, not the rotation. And that should... Well, I have to fix the systems. Why doesn't it... Hopefully that's right. Oh yeah, fix the other side. The left. Just going to close. I need to find a way to attach game objects to it. Probably I could copy that proxy, the game object from the other project. And it's shaking a lot. I think I'm making this all wrong. This isn't the ECS way of thinking. It should just be attached to component and then have a target entity. Should make more sense. Alright, so I created it, but I don't know where I'm going to put it. Let's just update my to-do list and end it there. Alright, so I really need to make something that will allow entities to follow game objects and game objects to follow entities. Made many mistakes today. I don't know if they were my mistakes or the engine's mistakes. I don't know. I have just been coding for too long. 6 hours, 25 minutes. I'm gonna stop. I was meaning to take a break. I took like short few minute breaks while I was compiling or building and stuff, but didn't take much breaks. Should take more breaks often. To sum up what I just did, I was able to calculate smooth tracking, movement when moving the hands in the sword, well, not sword, stick, and I was able to convert that smoothness and tracking to ECS. However, the stick seems to shake a lot. Well, also the hand seems to shake a lot. So I need to figure out how to solve that. I'm going to test it one last time, then I'm going to build it for the quest. Might actually tweak the settings a bit before I stop, because the shaking is probably just the objects going too fast. So I'm going to try and make it really... Let's put 10. I feel like the issue is the pivot points of the objects. That might be the issue, because if it was all set in the right origin, it'll be easier to rotate without any extra calculation. So I'm just gonna build it for the quest now and just leave it. So I've been working on this for too long? Too damn long.